What's up, YouTube? In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to take a Raspberry Pi and turn it into an Android streaming device. Interested? Stick around. Welcome back to Kelly Tech. Alright, let's jump right into it. So you're going to need a Raspberry Pi, a power adapter, an HDMI cord, a mouse, keyboard, SD card, a SD card reader, and a computer. Once you're ready, let's get started. First off, I'll leave a link in the description below. Going to need to go to the Raspberry Pi website. And right here, download for Windows. We want to download the Raspberry Pi Imager. So click that. Started downloading. Alright, shrink this back down. Now it should be in my downloads. Downloads. And I've downloaded it a couple times, you can see. But right here, Imager. So I'll pull that over onto the desktop. And double click. Install. And run the Raspberry Pi Imager. Alright, so now we have to choose our OS. And I love how simple they made this for you. So we're going to go down to freemium and paid for OSs. Click that. And right here, Android by Aptoide, if I'm saying that correctly. Click that and click here on Android 13. Now we're going to want to put our SD card into the PC via SD card reader. Putting my SD card in the reader and the reader into the PC. Choose storage. So we're going to go ahead, and it gives you options right here. Here's my 32 gig that I just plugged in. I'm going to select that. And then once you've got that all set up, just hit right. It's telling you everything on the drive will be erased. If you're ready, click yes. And this will take a minute, but not too long. As things pop up, just X them out. Don't format any drives or anything like that. I'll speed this up for you guys. Alright, so now I completed. So make sure and don't hit format, just X these out. Android 13 has been written. You can now remove the SD card from the reader. So let's just hit continue. Let's X out. We're done with this. Now we can take our drive out, so make sure and eject it properly. And it's already ejected and ready to roll. So pull that out. Alright, so we're all set right now for the PC side of things. Let's head on over to the Pi. Alright, first thing you need to do is take your SD card and plug it into your Pi. And then once you have that inserted, plug in the power. Alright, here's the welcome screen. Let's see, it's trying to boot in USB mode, but we're using an SD card, so give it a second, it'll find it. There it goes. And as you can see, it rebooted. It's part of the installation process. This first boot takes a little bit of time, but not bad compared to other things that I've installed on the Pi, that's for sure. And here's a nice little logo. Aptoide. I'm probably saying that wrong, I have no idea. It is a nice little logo though. I've tried a few versions of Android on the Pi and I wasn't very happy. This one's pretty cool, runs really smooth. This first boot's going to take longer than every other boot. It boots up pretty decent. This first time, it's installing, so it'll take a minute. Alright, we got some signs of life. Waiting for the system to get ready. Alright. Let's hit next. English United States for me. This is for if you want to use a 24-hour or a 12-hour. I'm just going to use a 12. The time is way off, so that means, yeah, I'm not in Brussels. Eastern Time, GMT 4. That should be us. And the date is incorrect. Let's see. It is not July. It's actually September 1st. Okay. Alright, that's all set up. Next. If your device doesn't have an Ethernet cord, please connect your local Wi-Fi. A working internet connection is required for device activation. So we can set that up now. Turn the Wi-Fi on. Select yours. Put your password in. Alright, so we're all connected to the internet. I think we just hit the back button here. And we can activate later. It's free, it's something you do online, but let's make sure you like it first. We can skip the update for now. Hit next. I agree. And next. And start. And that's basically it. You're looking at it. I mean, it works really nice. Everything's smooth. Every other version of Android I've tried on the Pi has not worked well. This actually works with the wireless. Everything works. Sound works great. Video works great. I'm very happy with this, actually. You could totally use this as an Android streaming device on your TV. It's pretty sweet. You could put a few apps on here and make it, a really nice streaming device. Unfortunately, it doesn't have the Google Play Store, but that kind of is a plus in a way. A lot of people don't want the snoop and the prying eyes. So, with Google gone, that's a possibility. You can grab and pull up, and it gives you like an app screen. Shows you all your apps. So right now, we don't have much. Got a lot of settings we can mess with. But what I'm going to do, just to give you guys an idea, is we're going to head back over to the PC real quick. Alright, back at the PC. First off, open a web browser. I'll leave a link in the description below for Aptoide TV. Hit the big orange download button. And let's see. There it is, Aptoide TV. So let's plug in our USB flash drive to our computer. And looks like it's all ready. I'm just going to drag that over to the USB drive. Alright, now that we have Aptoide TV on our USB drive, we can close everything down. and eject the drive. Alright, let's head back on over to the Pi. Alright, back at the Pi, let's plug our USB drive into our Pi. And here is our USB drive. And we're going to explore it. And right here is the Aptoide TV. You can just double click that. Continue. Install. Open. And now we have Aptoide TV, which will take place of, Google. So we'll hit OK. Give it permissions. And here you go. You see how fast it loaded up? I mean, off of an SD card? That's not bad. Not bad at all. So the first thing I think I would install on here would probably be like a browser of some sort. So and let's see. I think that's how it's spelled. Let's see. Oh, close enough. So Chromium. Doesn't look like too many people have tried this, but I'll give it a shot. Alright, now we're going to click Settings. And we have to give it permissions to do this. And hit Install. It's a bigger app. It might take a minute, but this thing runs pretty good. That's the one thing I've always had against Pi is just you're always waiting. Anytime you're installing or doing anything, you're just waiting so much. But it runs pretty smooth. We're going to hit Open. Welcome to Chrome. This is a lie. It says it won't work, but I know it will. Hit Continue. No thanks. And I think once you go to Google, it fixes everything. It's kind of funny. Let's see. So nice. Everything seems to be working. Alright, so between the web browser and having Aptoide, you should be able to get any app you want on here. And as you can see, it now works correctly. And here you have the Android buttons right here, so we can hit back to get out of here. So let's see, what app could we get from here? My favorite for TV would be TV Mate. Great program. Nice. Here's the TV. Yep, right here. TV Mate. Install. Done. So I already have TV Mate in there. That's nice. Hit our back button. So what else? And I don't know if it's on here, but let's check. Syncler. And it says it's here. Syncler. Install. Nice. Usually you have to download Syncler from the internet, put it on a USB drive, and drag it on over here, but it looks like we can install it straight from the store here. Nice. Done. Alright, so let's hit back again. Back again. Get out of here. And here you can open up what you've used. Just long hold and swipe up, and it usually gets rid of them if you do it correctly. There you go, and it gets rid of everything. So here's what we've installed: Aptoide, Chromium, TV Mate, and Syncler. So that's a really good start. Here's your TV, here's your movies and TV shows, here's your browser, and here's your store. So we've already got quite a bit on there, and you can customize it however you like. We could go into settings here. Let's see, settings right there. Right here, evaluation version. So if you want to make this permanent, just go to this website and sign up. It's not difficult at all. It's free, very simple stuff. Okay. And if you look, it's acting like it's a tablet, about tablet. Pretty funny. System, passwords, privacy, security, accessibility, wallpaper, display. Yeah, all your average stuff. This is a really nice setup here. So I just wanted to show you guys that you can turn your Pi into an Android streaming box. This thing works great. Like, it works better than most Android boxes I've used. So it's pretty smooth. And it shuts off really fast if you don't set that up. So, hope you guys like this. Hope you learned something. If you did, like and subscribe. And as always, have a tech day.